Traditional burritos, bean burritos, frijoles, burritos, chorizo, all kinds of stuff on these burritos. Look at this, we just made beans from scratch. Don't go anywhere because I know you're gonna love them. See this right here, we're gonna use some of these beans. That's how much I'm gonna use. So what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna pour some water in here, we're gonna clean them. All right, these beans have been sitting on the water for a while. So basically what we do, we let it sit for at least an hour or 2 hours. All the bad stuff from those beans goes up to the surface and we can clean them and get rid of all those rocks and everything so we can be ready for cooking. All right, clean them, already remove all the rocks and everything. I put them on water for 2 hours and then just to soften them up a little bit. They're ready for cooking. Let's pour some water in here and cook them. I did clean up this dish. We're gonna let that cook for a little bit. In the meantime, I'm gonna show you something. Look at this chicharrones. We're gonna use these chicharrones and we're gonna put them on our beans. This right here turns out really, really good. And we're gonna use chorizo. We're also gonna use bacon. We're gonna add some garlic to our beans. And because we're not gonna make that much, we're just gonna add one garlic. Boom, right there. We're gonna add a little bit of cumin. About a spoon. And then we add a little bit of salt, not much. Now that's gonna take a while. Cooking beans like this, it'll take probably maybe an hour.
Three hours later.
All right guys, those beans are almost done. So what we wanna do next is we wanna use bacon and we wanna chop it up in small little pieces. Check this out. And look at that. This is what we're gonna use right here. We're gonna use one jalapeno and we're gonna use one onion. Jalapeno, we're gonna just do it like this. Just a bunch of small little pieces. And that's about how much onion we need. We don't need that much. I always put a piece of paper where I'm chopping off onions. And the reason why is because all the juices will jump right to your face and it will make you cry. So if you use a little piece of paper like this, paper towel, and you put it on the side where you're chopping off your onions, that paper towel what's gonna do is gonna catch all the juices and everything and they won't go to your face. They'll stay right there and they won't make you cry. The smasher. We're gonna smash. Look at this. We just made beans from scratch. Now, here's the thing. You can either leave all the that water in there, all the juice in there, you can leave it in there, or you can get rid of it so you can make refried beans. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of this water. Now, the one thing you gotta remember, you don't want this completely dry, okay? You leave a little bit of water in there. It'll look just like this. See, most people put them on the blender. I don't. I just the smasher and work them. It's a little bit of work, but it is worth it. We're gonna start cooking our bacon. And that's because we're gonna use the grease from the bacon to cook our beans. All that bacon grease is gonna give it a really, really nice smoky flavor to our beans. Let's add the chorizo. There you go. These are burritos that you guys are gonna love. They have an amazing, amazing flavor. Oh my God, this smells so good. How many of you guys like bacon? I don't think I ever asked that question. I love bacon. Turkey bacon? I'm just kidding. Now, let's put our veggies in there. And now, we're gonna add our beans. It turned out really good. Next up, our chicharrones. This is Oaxaca cheese. And that's what we're going to be using on this. It's the perfect cheese for this. Let me ask you something. What will you use? You use American cheese, pepper jack cheese. I like pepper jack. Or Oaxaca cheese. I don't know. What do you guys use? Beans are done. On every video I've been telling you this. These tortillas right here, this is the ones I use, okay? And like I said, I know how to make tortillas. I'm lazy. I like to use this ones. And again, the reason why I use this ones is because they're uncooked, okay? This right here, I got them from Costco. And this is like, look, uncooked tortilla. You can cook them right here, right now. It's like fresh made tortilla. It's special for burritos and stuff. You gotta try them. They're really, really good. I think that Walmart also sells these tortillas. They're not the same brand, but they also sell some uncooked tortillas. You just gotta find them, okay? Look you guys, look at here. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be really, really good. We got tortilla. I'm gonna make 2 of these burritos. We got our stuff in here. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to try this. We're gonna add this nice hot sauce that we made. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is a really nice, simple made breakfast burrito right here. Beans, chicharrones, bacon. Perfect. This is perfect. Look at this. Oh, wow. Guys, those chicharrones and the bacon, it just gives it a perfect flavor. This is one of those breakfasts that you have to try. You have to try it to believe. It is really, really good. Follow this recipe. It is really, really simple. These are the things that you probably already have at home. Maybe you just need to get chorizo and chicharrones maybe. Those are easy to get. Cheers. Have I ever told you how good these chicharrones are with this nice red salsa we made the other day? Oh my goodness. If you want to see how we make these salsas, go to the last video we made, the quesadilla video. It is a really nice video, guys. It's got a lot of information. You guys might like that. So, if you want to watch that video, I'm going to leave it right here for you. I appreciate all the love and everything you guys are giving me. Thank you so much. This is all I got for you today. I love you, and I'll see you on the next one.